Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Smartsheet dashboards for reporting and tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Smartsheet dashboards for reporting and tracking, start by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to create the dashboard. Click on the Create button in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Dashboard/Port. A new dashboard will open, prompting you to give it a name. Enter an appropriate name that reflects the content of your dashboard. Once named, click on Create. You will see a blank dashboard interface with various options on the right panel. To add a widget, click on the Add Widget button located in the dashboard. Choose the type of widget that suits your reporting needs, such as a chart, metric, or report. After selecting a widget type, configure its settings according to your requirements. If you choose a chart widget, select the source sheet that contains your data. Customize the chart settings, including the type of chart and data ranges. For metric widgets, define the metric you want to display from your source sheet. Drag and drop your widgets into the desired positions on the dashboard for optimal layout. Use the settings option on each widget to adjust colors, labels, and other display settings. Once you have arranged all widgets, click Done in the upper right corner to save your dashboard. To share the dashboard with team members, use the Share button at the top right. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share the dashboard with. Set their permission levels to either view or edit, depending on how much access you want to provide. Click Share to send the invitations. Refresh the dashboard as needed to ensure all data is up to date. You have now successfully activated your Smartsheet dashboard for reporting and tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.